Do you love to eat pasta and spaghetti, but don't want to be loaded with carbs that bog you down and slow you down? Want to make eating vegetables fun and exciting again for yourself or your family? Look to increase your daily vegetable intake, but find vegetable prep too tedious? Want to lose weight while still enjoy your favorite foods? If so, the Brieftons 7-Blade Spiralizer is your answer. It enables you to turn fresh veggies into faux noodles, which can then be used to make healthy and delicious meals in no time. It's the best kitchen gadget for a healthier you. And for more creative cooking, the Brieftons 7-Blade Spiralizer is the latest 2018 model in the Brieftons Spiralizer lineup, and it incorporates all the best features that our customers have long been waiting for. It's the complete Spiralizer package to get you started on your new healthy eating journey as easily as possible. Make fresh new dishes that you never thought would be possible. Get your creative juices flowing and replace traditional high-carb pasta with your favorite vegetables to create endless healthy recipes, such as fresh summer salad with spiralized zucchini and garnishes, summer stir-fries, spicy Asian zucchini cucumber noodle salad, potato twist, hash browns, zucchini noodles with pesto, Parmesan zucchini pasta, Thai salad, Garnish spiralized zucchini Mediterranean salad. It all sounds great, right? But how easy is it to use the Spiralizer? The truth is, it can't be any easier to use it. Lock the suction pad down to secure the Spiralizer firmly on a flat surface. Put the provided plastic container at the other end to catch the results. Insert the vegetable or fruit. Turn the handle in a consistent clockwise motion while pushing the side handle forward. Spiral slices will come out from the other side. Not only is the Brieftons 7-Blade Spiralizer easy to use, it's also quick and simple to clean. Just wash it after use with warm water and mild detergent, or put it in the dishwasher. And if your kitchen is small, fear not. The whole Spiralizer can be disassembled quickly and put away neatly inside a kitchen drawer. Its unique design means that you can also choose to store the Spiralizer compactly as a single unit with no loose pieces, ready to be used whenever you are ready. The Brieftons 7-Blade Spiralizer incorporates many design improvements over earlier Spiralizer models. It features 7 ultra-sharp stainless steel blades for all your spiralizing needs. It boasts 4 julienne blades to make noodles of various sizes, a flat slicer blade to make ribbon slices, a wavy slicer blade to make crinkle chips, and a true curly fry blade to make thick, true-sized curly fries. Large foolproof suction pad with easy on-off lever to keep the Spiralizer steadfast during operation. Extra blade caddy for safe storage of blades. Easy release mechanism of the blade rack for the most compact storage and transport. Container and keep fresh lid for catching spiralized vegetables and storing them fresh for longer. Innovative design that allows for a safe, compact storage of the whole Spiralizer with no loose pieces. Let's look at a few ways the Brieftons 7-Blade Spiralizer can be beneficial to you. It makes it quicker and easier to prepare vegetable pasta than traditional pasta. It saves cooking time and requires minimal expertise. It helps retain maximum nutrition in your vegetables. It promotes a low-calorie intake and weight loss through the consumption of more fresh vegetables. The health benefit cannot be overstated. Based on a 4-cup serving, zucchini pasta has just 60 calories and 8 grams of carbs, compared to 800 calories and 160 grams of carbs for normal pasta. And the Brieftons 7-Blade Spiralizer is the quickest, easiest way to get that plate of low-calorie, low-carb vegetable pasta onto your dinner table. Use it to improve the quality of your life and your lifestyle. Ditch the veggie boredom and start making quick, easy vegetable-packed meals today. Whether it is making garnishes to turn your dinner platter into a gourmet delight, preparing the most gorgeous-looking salads to wow your guests, making a healthy raw food pasta, or giving your family healthy and fresh potato chips, you can count on the Brieftons 7-Blade Spiralizer to deliver.